It's another beautiful day.
Hello. What are you doing?
Good morning, shark car. It wants to cross the road. Oh no! It gets stuck on the train tracks.
Crane truck.
Help me! Oh my god!
Crane
Okay.
truck, please help shark car. Crane truck pulls hard. Oh no! A train is coming.
Wow!
Excavator.
No! What happened?
Excavator comes quickly to help.
Wow.
Shark car gets off the tracks
Thank
before
you
the train
very
arrives.
much.
Crane truck and excavator decide to fix the road.
Okay, who is next? Thank you.
Dump truck.
Wow.
Mixer truck. Clamshell excavator.
Let's go.
Tow truck.
Okay.
Dump truck brings steel frames. Crane truck puts the frames in place.
Bravo. Good job. I got it. It's so nice. Wow.
Cement mixer pours concrete.
It's a disappear.
The road is smooth now. They add traffic lights and safety barriers.
I got it. Nice.
Here we go!
Thank you.
Grab excavator helps on the other side too.
I like it. It's a disappear. Okay.
Green light on. Barriers
It's
up.
amazing.
Cars can go.
Let's go. Cool.
Barriers down. Stop. No passing.
Wow, it's a nice line.
After the train passes, the barriers go up and cars can go again.
Transformation. Goodbye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.